That me I talk about, man. Overhead pipe. Overhead pipes are in. Yeah, man, the overhead pipes. This is one piece. Yours. This is the mega section. So there is no mesh is gonna be here. Mesh is gonna be on this side. Yeah, 5 banks is gonna be here to plant the peppers on. Give you a wider view on the pipes. Yeah, my viewers. Update on the greenhouse. Yeah, man, up.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Update on the greenhouse. Yeah, man, update on the greenhouse. Yeah, as you can see, the upright, the overhead pipe them is in. Going to give you a nearer view. Let us see what's going on, alright? Yeah, my viewers, stick around. Yeah, that me I talk about, man. Overhead pipe. Overhead pipes are in. As you can see, for this side of the greenhouse. Yeah. So you don't know what the work go on after the last video. Yeah. Going to show you what's coming next. So stick and stay on the channel and you will see what's going on. So all these pipes over here is for the next side. And as you can see here, all right, the side is up. That side is up for the next side to put in those pipe, you know. Yeah. Here is the center of the two greenhouse. All right. Yeah. So that pipe is in on this side here, or the next overhead pipe. Yeah. As you can see, right down the line. Yeah. It's all about the cutting. Yeah, my viewers. This is what's going on. Yeah, man, the overhead pipes. This is one piece of the bigger pipe that the smaller pipe going to. So this is gonna be up here like this. Or they had a overhead pipe to go in. Alright? And to go over to that side. So yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. I guess that is someone. Alright. Yeah, my viewers. These are the overhead pipes for the greenhouse. So you know the plastic is gonna be all over on it. But there is some wires gonna run before to keep the plastic intact, you know what I mean? Yeah, so after running those wires along the line, go down. Yeah, the plastic is gonna be over, and then the mesh is gonna be on the side, as you can see. Yeah, my viewers. This is the mega section. So there is no mesh is gonna be here. Mesh is gonna be on the side, the back and the front. The top is gonna be plastic. All right. So as you can see, the soil is already dig. Yeah, you know, sometimes I miss up on words, you know. Don't know if I go too fast. Yeah, so I'm gonna go up here to look See if I can get these line very straight. All right, my viewers, I see that these lines are very straight. Yeah. So there's a machine. They're gonna use a machine to refine this soil here. Yeah. In every row, get it fine, and then it's gonna be a pile of dirt, a heap, a row, go straight down. So over here is 5 row. All right. So 5 rows is gonna be here. Yeah, 5 banks is gonna be here to plant the peppers on, or the tomato. You know. Yeah, my viewers, it's all about greenhouse. Over here, 2 line already dig, waiting for the next 3 to dig. Okay. Yeah. So yes, soon as the guys them back, they're gonna do some more work. So stay tuned. I will let you know what's going on. Alright. So as you can see, my viewers, the board is on one level right around the greenhouse. As you can see. Yeah. So all these posts here is gonna cut. Gonna cut here. All these posts along the line go right down. They're gonna cut here. Alright. And then the overhead pipe is gonna come in. Yeah, man. This is what going on right now on the greenhouse. Yeah. Yeah, man. Stick around, my viewers. Stick and stay on the channel. See what's coming. Alright. Don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. As you can see, we have some material here on the ground, metal, some lat, same way on the card, yeah, because this is the working area. All right, these logwood posts, these posts here, logwood from the logwood tree, yeah. These posts is some strong posts, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, my viewers, to give you a wider view. Alright, you can see the pipes. Give you a wider view on the pipes. You see what's going on. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. So you know, as a good workman, tradesman that do professional work, you know, you have to work with your card. So these guys are professionals, so they use their card, you know what I mean? Yeah. Check out all the posts and one line go down, you know, right down the line straight. Straight down the line. Yeah, my viewers. So by next week, this greenhouse is gonna be up, preparing for planting. Yeah. Yeah, man. 2 more greenhouses gonna be over here. Yeah, man. Two more greenhouse gonna be over here in this location here. Yeah, so it's all about planting. Have to plant something, you know. Yeah, man. Have to plant something. All right. Going inside this greenhouse here to make a check. See what's going on over there. I guess Campbell is there picking some peppers, you know. All right. So let me give you guys a update. It's been a while since we're inside this side here. As you can see, the lettuce stand here. Yeah, you can see. All right, this is the hydroponics stand. Yeah. As you can see, my viewers. Yeah, yeah. Pepper plant is almost in the rooftop. In the rooftop. Yeah, man.